Today we're going to be talking about a pattern that is perfect for the whole family. Hi friends, thanks for joining us on the Love Notions YouTube channel, where you can find sewing patterns that are easy to wear and easy to make. Thanks for being here with us today. I would like to tell you about 3 patterns in a collection that we have that are being featured right now that I think are a great addition to any sewist's repertoire. That is the Pullover Collection from Love Notions. The Pullover Collection from Love Notions is the Navigator pullover and hoodie, the Constellation pullover and hoodie, and the North Star pullover and hoodie. And it's a pattern that I think is great for this season. I can imagine people cuddling up by the fire with it, going to work out with it, running errands with it, and even matching their family members with it. So it would make a great holiday gift. So with the Constellation, North Star, and Navigator, you'll notice that all of those names kind of have us feeling about adventuring and space and exploration. And we kind of hope that that's what you feel like you can do with this pattern collection. You can go anywhere and do anything. All of these patterns feature the same basic design, which we feel like is universally appealing. The pattern is really functional and it is very comfortable to wear. And so we've repeated that design through all of the ones that we offer. So first of all, the hoodie features a nice deep hood. It also has an option to make that a collar, which is what I have here. The hoodie also comes with a nice big kangaroo pocket that kind of takes up the bottom half of the pattern. That pocket has a band on the opening, and it has like a lining piece, which you could do in a contrasting color or fabric. The hoodie also has cuffs, and those cuffs are, as you can see here, and it has a thumb hole option as well, which is actually easier than I thought it was going to be. So this is super handy and cozy for the upcoming chilly months that we've got. As far as the finishing on the bottom of the pattern, you can do either a hem band or you can do a curved hemline, which does not have that band at the bottom. Now let's talk about fabric. So this hoodie can totally change its shape depending on what kind of fabric you use with it. As you are seeing here, I am wearing this super cushy, squishy, soft Sherpa fabric. You can also make this in a slightly thinner fabric. You could do it in a sweater knit. You could do it in a French terry or a baby French terry. Any sweatshirt fleece would be great. Fleece in general would be great. You are going to want to have a little bit of stretch inside of your fabric, but this hoodie pullover is meant to be a little bit looser on the body, so you don't need to worry about having a tremendous amount of stretch. In terms of notions, you'll need just a few sewing essentials that you can find at your everyday fabric store. So you'll need to have interfacing, you'll need a zipper, and you'll need to have some bias binding. And that bias binding is what is used to finish off the collar piece. And that binding can be made at home. You could use knit fabric or woven fabric, and you could just pick up that package that you can get at your local fabric store. As far as the interfacing, you can use your regular SF101 interfacing to give you a nice stiff pop-up collar. And that's placed in the interior right here. And as far as the zipper, I'm using this really nice metal zipper with a black tape. And installing the zipper is easier than you might think, and there are videos about doing it inside of the pattern as well. If you want some help or some inspiration on making your own Constellation, Navigator, or North Star hoodie, make sure that you check out the Love Notions blog. On the blog, we have a variety of posts all about customizing your hoodie, but we also have a sew-along that is inside of our library, and that will take you through every single step of the process and links to full-length videos that walk you through picking your fabric, making sizing adjustments, every potentially tricky technique that's inside of the sewing of this pattern is covered there in the sew along. We do have a very new blog post on there all about ways to customize the Constellation hoodie, and all of those ideas can be applied to the Navigator and the North Star as well. There are ideas in there about how to create some really pretty shaping inside of it, how to add faux piping, and how to use panels with your pullover. If you're interested in learning more about the Love Notions Navigator, North Star, and Constellation pullovers and hoodies, make sure that you check out the links below. I'll also have linked up all of our blog post links, and especially our sew along, which will walk you through every step of the process. So make sure that you connect with us, and we hope to see you soon. Bye.